Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we've got a nickel box today on my two box pickup of pennies. My bank gave me a 2018 D brand new box, which I'll take, and they didn't have a second box for me. Unbelievable. So they substituted with any box that I wanted. I chose nickel since that's probably the best luck I could have. And I opened it in the car, and the good news is it is circulated nickels, so that's good. At least I didn't get a brand new nickel box again. That being said, we're going to go and hunt this box of nickels today. We'll start with this roll, and as I find some things along the way, I'll be sure to loop you in. Let's get to hunting. All right, first roll of the box yields a 40s nickel here. 1949. S. 49S. We'll take it. On the board with an old Jefferson. Third roll of the box, another 40s nickel. 1947. Plain, Philadelphia. We'll take it. On the board with two 40s nickels now. Roll 24, guys. I'm pretty happy right now, and I'll show you in a second. Got a 50s nickel and two 40s. It's been a slow going, but look at this. I laid out this roll, and what do you know? Oh, it's a buffalo. We got a buffalo. Is there a mint mark? No mint mark. And no date and pretty toasty. But I will take a buffalo all day. Let me see if I can take a look under the microscope and see if I can catch a date on that. All right, guys, there's no date that I can see, and it's pretty toasty. So we're going to have to nicodate it. I'll let you know what I find out here in a second. All right, guys, we've used Nicodate, and you can see it right there, 1923. You could just catch the 23, the dark spot's the inside of the 3. So 1923 Buffalo nickel. We'll take it. Again, not in the greatest shape, but you hunt nickels for silver, V-nickels, and a buffalo. And we got one of them so far in this box. 1923 Buffalo. Good score. Let's keep looking. Roll 29, guys. Got another 40s coin here. 1941 on the nose. Philadelphia. So that's our oldest from the 40s. It's our third. And we had a little bit of run of 50s. Now we have 5 in the 50s, a couple of 09s, a buffalo, and I don't know what it is. But we pulled it out because it won't go back into the machines anyway. Next roll, guys, roll number 30. Got another 40s coin here. A 1940 Philadelphia. That's our fourth from the 40s. So let's keep looking for more. You know what? This one looks old. 54. 54 Philadelphia. We'll take it. Another from the 50s. All right. Now let's get back to the hunt. Roll 41. 41 Jefferson. Philadelphia mint. We'll take it though. It's another from the 40s. All right, let's keep looking. Well, we've got through that box of nickels and we ended up with 3 2009s. We got 3, 6, 9, 11, I think. 10 from the 50s. 52. 54, 54, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 3 59s. We got 5 in the 40s, a 40, 2 41s, a 47, and a 49. No Silver War nickels, but we did score a 1923 Philadelphia Buffalo nickel. Had to nicodate it, but I'll still take it. And then, yeah, maybe it's the V nickel I never found. We'll never know. At the end of the day, guys, hope you enjoyed the hunt. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.